Hey RC fans, just wanted to show you a center of gravity modification you can make to a RedCat RS10 XT where you don't have to drill any holes and you don't have to make any irreversible types of modifications. It's a freebie. Seems to have made a really good effect on the tipping point when you're trying to climb an almost vertical surface and get your wheels up over it. You know, that's a lot better than it was out of the box. In case you haven't ever seen one of these, they come with the suspension really set way down. Shocks are about in the middle, about 1 1/8 inches from the end, or not from the middle, but they're about 1/3 up. Real kinked up. Electronics package is way up here. These are the mounting holes for the electronics package, and then everything sits up about like this, and it has a body and all that. So what I've done is these are the shock mounting holes, and what I'm doing is I've moved my shock from here to here, and you can use the screw that is nutted off here, and you can just screw it right into the brace. By moving the shock higher and further forward, it lets you extend it further down if you want. As you can see on this end, I have the shock thing, which is actually something that always seems to get hung up on stuff because it sticks out. That's at the very end of the hex now. And as you can see, when you're sliding along a rock or something, you're more likely to hit the tire than you are to hit the shock mount. And I've got the back stretched out and the front arched like this so that it'll hook up around the ledge of a rock when it's trying to get up over it. Undo the 4 screws that hold the electronics tray, take all the electronics off, flip the tray over so that the little prongs here are pointed up now, little tabs. If you want, you can drill holes, but I didn't. I don't want to drill holes there. Loosen these 2 screws. That'll let the whole frame spread out a little bit. Push the package down. Tighten these screws. This thing is wedged in here like a mofo. You cannot move that. That's not going to fall out. It's not going to jump around. It's not going to slide. It's not going anywhere. What you get out of that, besides just a lower center of gravity, is if you want to run it without the body, you don't have to worry about anything. And you can actually get to the point where it's possible that your wheels might be able to turtle you back around. Who knows? Find out. So there you have it. The lower center of gravity mod. Freebie. Don't have to drill any holes. All you have to do is just move everything down, relocate your shocks. And as you can see here, I've got this one out to the furthest hole, and that makes it as straight as possible. I've got this one all the way back. That makes it as angled as possible, with my shocks as far forward as possible. Okay, I hope that helps anybody out that has a RedCat RS10. You don't have to have any special tools, just a screwdriver and pliers, and you can accomplish this mod. Thanks for watching, guys. And if it isn't snowing where you're at, get out there and crawl. Otherwise, I guess you'll just have to stay inside and tinker. How about that, huh? Isn't that something?
It can really... How long has it been standing?
It's been sitting there a couple minutes like that. That's crazy, huh?
What did you do to make it do that?
I just sort of balanced it, and it seems to be quite happy. Being totally vertical.
Yeah.